How to open RAR files on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to open RAR files on iPhone but do not know how, here is the perfect tutorial. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, head over to your App Store and search for iZip. Make sure to get the application downloaded and installed on your device. Once that is done, search for Files and then tap on the three dots on the top right corner. After this, select the RAR file that you want to open. You can just tap on it and then tap on the option of Share. Then select on Copy to iZip. This will open the RAR file in your iZip. Now tap on the files that you'd like to unzip and tap on Unzip option. And this is how you can open RAR files on iPhone using this application. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.